Unlock your AI potential and have truly meaningful conversations with Gemini. To get the most out of Gemini, start by crafting clear and concise prompts. Think of it like giving instructions to a very smart assistant instead of write about dogs. Write a short, upbeat poem about the joy a golden retriever brings to its family. The more specific you are, the better the outcome. When Gemini responds, actively analyze what it provides. Does it directly answer your question? Is the tone appropriate? If you're not getting what you want, don't hesitate to refine your prompt. You can ask it to elaborate, change its perspective, or provide more detail, for example, by saying, "Can you expand on the part about the tail wags?" Troubleshooting common issues is simple if Gemini seems to misunderstand. Rephrase your prompt using different wording for complex requests. Break them down into smaller, sequential questions. Think of it as a dialogue, building upon previous exchanges to achieve your desired result. Gemini excels in various applications, from creative writing to data summarization for creative tasks. Use prompts that encourage imagination, like imagine a fantastical world where clouds are edible, and describe a typical breakfast. For more analytical needs, be direct. Summarize the key findings of this article in 3 bullet points. Mastering Gemini is about thoughtful interaction by focusing on clear prompts and iterative refinement. You'll transform your conversations with AI into productive and engaging experiences.